Hello, I'm Rob.
And I'm Matt. We are here from Healthe to share the unboxing and setup of our Healthe solutions.
Our mission at Healthy Lighting is to provide a safer, more productive, and healthier environment for all.
This is a demo of how to install and use your Healthe SunTrac system with Sunlync, which brings convenience and simplicity to biological lighting. Your SunTrac products are configured to work with your Sunlync out of the box. When you plug in your SunTrac product for the first time, it will automatically change its spectrum and brightness throughout the day. The SunTrac product will output a maximum brightness good day spectrum between sunrise and sunset, and it will output a reduced brightness good night spectrum between sunset and sunrise. If you do not like the default settings, you can use the SunTrac Pro app to change the way your products operate. You can download the SunTrac Pro app to an iOS device from the App Store. When you first open the app, you will create one or more rooms to group your SunTrac products. To create a room, tap the Rooms button on the app, followed by the New button. Provide a name for your room. You can select a home for your room. If you have multiple homes, you can group your rooms into different homes. A default home named My Home has been created for you. Tags can be used to help you search for a room if you have many rooms in your app. For the purposes of this demo, we will not select any tags. A template can be used to pre-configure your room with certain settings. For the purposes of this demo, we will not load a template. Capabilities can be used to determine the types of controls displayed by this room. For SunTrac products that provide sanitization as well as or instead of circadian controls, sanitization capabilities can be selected. In this demo, we will select circadian only. Once the room has been configured, tap the Save button to add the room to your app. Now, plug in your SunTrac product. Navigate to the Link section of the app. Look for your SunTrac product to appear on your screen. When it does, select that product to configure it. Tap Pair on the prompt to pair your SunTrac product to your app. You can now rename your SunTrac product if you desire. This will allow you to easily distinguish this product from other SunTrac products in your home. After renaming, you may need to pair again. Navigate to the Room section of the app located under Accessories. Tap the Select button to add a room to the SunTrac downlight. Select the room you just created, then tap Save. Your SunTrac downlight will flash twice, indicating the room can now be used to control the product. Navigate back to the main screen of the app. Select the room you recently created. You can now use the controls on this screen to control your downlight. Your Healthe SunTrac with Sunlync is ready for use. Now you have healthy circadian lighting, which can help you to regulate your internal clock, boost performance, and enhance sleep.